We rarely see Luna drinking water, and that concerned us, so we tried the Smart App Health Monitoring Cat Water Fountain. The real-time drinking data is accurate, helping us monitor Luna's intake. It was easy to install and clean. But how does it compare to other fountains? The 8-layer filtration system keeps water fresh, and the waterfall design encourages Luna to drink more. The 2-liter capacity is convenient, and the low water alert gives us peace of mind. The safe-sensing cordless water pump and dual water outlet modes are excellent features. Check out this cat bed made from eco-friendly packaging. If you want to monitor your cat's health and water intake, this fountain is perfect for you.